Mmm. Oh my God. With a surrogated knife, cut off and take off some of the bad ones, the dead ones. And you cut the stem off, but don't throw it away because it's good inside. You can clean it, then cook it like this, and then you cut a piece and put it in the juice, or you can eat it raw. Okay, since I don't have the stuff to stuff them, I'm gonna cut these so they cook faster. I'm gonna cut them in half, and then in fours. Yep. So I got water in there, about a third, a little more than a quarter of this pan. Probably about a couple quarts. Enough to cover the artichokes. Get them to boil and then turn the flame down to simmer. You're gonna use the water that's in there to cook the pasta later. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of chopped onion and half a clove of chopped garlic right there. And I already put in some chopped celery because I didn't have any parsley. Okay, I'm gonna put in some olive oil. That's a big spoonful. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, it's good. Okay, don't forget a big handful of love. Put it right there in that pot. Yes, everything tastes better with love. Okay, you gotta make sure you know, once in a while you push them down so that they all cook even. Okay, it's time to check it to see if it's ready. So you grab some of these harder leaves here and you pull on it. Yeah, they came off pretty easy, so I think it's ready. I'm gonna check the salt for the taste here. I think it's pretty good. That's about, I think it was one spoonful of salt. So it's done, 1:29. We started at 12:51. So like 35 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna take all the artichokes out. We're gonna cook the pasta right here in this water because it's gonna absorb the flavor of the artichoke. Oh my God, what do you taste it? So now I'm cooking some rigatoni pasta in there into the juice of the artichokes. Let's see what happens. I think it's gonna be perfect. Okay, I cooked for about 7 minutes and now it's down to a very low simmer. What I want to doing is I'm trying to get the juice to absorb into the pasta, but still keeping the texture of the pasta. Maybe a minute or two, it would be ready. Oh my goodness. The artichokes themselves are great already. Okay, here it goes with my special band spoon. So get the juice. Let's taste this baby. Man, oh my God. Wow. I love it. It's got that flavor of the artichokes right in, cooked with the pasta, soaked in. Oh my God. Mmm. And then, the leaves, dip them in that mayonnaise and scoop the. Mmm. Oh my God. This is lemony. It's really good with the artichokes. Mmm. You know, like, I don't know, $5, right? You get a real good meal and a lot of good flavors you don't normally get. Mmm. Wow. This is Antonio Mystic, Bellissimo say, eat healthy as fresh as possible, and you will feel younger and healthier and alive because you're eating live food from Mother Nature. Ciao. Peace and love to you, and spread it around. That's my mama would really approve this.